It's simply just a lottery where you go and buy some tickets and potentially earn some rewards. Firstly though, we want to connect a wallet. So let's just come to the home, and in the top right hand corner, you'll see this connect icon. So we can actually click on this and it gives us options for all of these wallets. I'm going to be using MetaMask for this tutorial because it is a very widely used wallet. And we can use it with a few different coins, but there is good wallet support as well. So if you have Trust Wallet, if you're a Binance customer, you may have downloaded Trust Wallet because Binance and Trust Wallet are part of the same company. But you also have Wallet Connect as well if you possibly have Coinbase Wallet and some others. What I'm going to do then is just click on MetaMask, and you can see that the MetaMask window pops up. Now, I'm already logged in with MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet set up already, I do have a video going through the setup process from start to finish. I'll link that there if you need some help. I'm already set up on this browser though, so as you can see, it's a simple process, just clicking next. Then it will ask for some permissions. Obviously, it needs to view the addresses of your account so that it can transact with them. So just click connect, and then you can see that's done within a second. In the top right hand corner, you'll now see that change from connect to the address of the MetaMask wallet that you just linked up. If you have different MetaMask wallets, you can obviously click on here and then go and log out and then log into different MetaMask wallets with different addresses. Next up though, we want to send some coins to our wallet, and it's really important that we get this right because if you're using MetaMask with PancakeSwap, this does require a little bit of work. What I'm going to do now then is go to my plugins and click on MetaMask to open up the wallet. And you can see that I'm actually using MetaMask as a Binance Smart Chain wallet. MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet overall, so you need to add Binance Smart Chain capability to MetaMask so that you can use Binance Smart Chain tokens, otherwise known as BET20 tokens. All tokens that you're going to be using in PancakeSwap, including Binance coin, also Cake, which is the token of PancakeSwap, and all the others are BET20 tokens. So if you're using MetaMask, you need to convert your MetaMask into compatibility for BET20 tokens, Binance Smart Chain tokens. What I'm going to do then is just come to the expanded view, so we can click on here and click on expanded view, and I'm going to very quickly go through this. I have an entire separate video that goes step by step showing you how to link up Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. For this tutorial, I'm just going to very quickly show you how to do it. You need to actually add Smart Chain. You can see here, usually MetaMask is Ethereum mainnet. We want to add the Smart Chain. So what you can do to add a new network is to come to the icon in the top right.